Somebody said a prayer for good weather. We have to find out if they have any ornaments. Look at the colored Santa. Oh, this is so amazing to start seeing us come together as a nation. Guess the kids are going to call Santa. Oh, let's see. What are we working with? We have different Santas. Oh my God, he would love these cars. See, this is how this works, you all. You just go shopping and you find the perfect ornament. He picked the car, and then I found a car ornament. Legend, you like these? Look. Legend, look. You like these? Yeah. What is that? It's a car? Yes, that's going to be your ornament. Okay, we're going to put it on the tree when we get home. Besides this, these are all of the ornaments. Lanterns to Santa. Very, very Merry Christmas. You found another car? Oh, I see a lot of cloth. $3 ornaments. All right, you all, let's head out. Thank you. Can't forget to get hand sanitizer. We've arrived at Hallmark. But you all, look at this COVID style. Look at the line to get into Whole Foods. Oh my gosh, this is truly COVID. There's a line outside. Oh, look at these. The Star Wars Fortnite. Oh, I was being serious. Oh, this is a cute one for the coffee lovers.
I don't want to let them down.
Central Park.
Everything you get is fragile.
Baby, look at. Oh, Legend, look. Look at the fire truck.
The truck?
And the airplanes. Look, Legend, you missed it. Look over here. Over here, look.
Look.
Which one you like?
The police car.
Oh, look at the motorcycle.
I think they have to come and take it out.
Okay. Look at the puppies. A puppy ornament. Oh. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Oh, wait. That's $17.99. That don't look like an ornament. You can attach it to anything.
This is the ornament.
Oh, that little hook. Oh my gosh, you all, here's more. Let's see.
You want the truck too? Or you want the
Oh, look at the Cookie Monster.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
I love my grand dog. That's so cool. Papa
You
Bear.
have a police car and a fire truck. You have the whole juice.
Oh, I love the little dogs. Okay, Legend have a fire truck. I want a garden. Look at all of the options. We're limited. Look at the little red shoes up there. That's beautiful. Oh. When I see the perfect one, I'm going to know it. Anyone see one that you all would like? Oh, I'm looking for a garden. Let's just be patient. We're gonna find one. Excuse me. Oh, son. Mom.
Excuse me now.
Baby's first Christmas.
Pick it up.
I have
Come on, let me
mine.
go pay for this.
Daddy's buying Legend trucks and cars.
She has
Legend is officially spoiled. He's holding on to his Christmas ornaments. What is that? What's that, Legend?
The car.
Yeah, your police car. And what's the other one? Your fire truck
The car.
and his McLaren. Marcus loves cars. $50 worth of ornaments.
Whoa.
Legend would have been in there
The
crying.
car.
I wasn't buying them. But it's all about the memories, you all. Legend say memories. All about the memories. This is why you have to live. Enjoy the life that you have. We're all blessed to be here to see another day.